Ooh, he's okay though. Looks like he's going to make it. Who apparently crashed into the side of Cagle Mountain. It looks like he's moving around. He was sitting up just a few moments ago before the helicopter pulled up, and it looks like I don't know. He may go to the hospital.